Imagine holding the future in the palm of your hand, only to realize that the device you just bought is already obsolete. For years, the iPad mini has been the black sheep of the Apple family. Neglected, overlooked, and left to gather dust while the pros and the heirs got all the glory. But right now, something is happening behind the closed doors of Cupertino that should make every tablet owner stop in their tracks. We aren't just talking about a minor spec bump or a new color. We are talking about a total architectural shift that is about to turn the iPad mini 8 into the most powerful compact computer ever conceived by man. There's a reason Apple has been so quiet lately. There's a reason the leaks have been surfacing from the most unexpected corners of the supply chain. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you think the iPad mini 7 was the peak of portable tech, you've been misled. The iPad mini 8 is coming, and it's not just an upgrade, it's an apology. It's an apology for the jelly scrolling, the dim screens, and the wasted potential of the world's most loved small tablet. But there is a catch. A massive, expensive, and potentially deal-breaking catch that Apple doesn't want you to calculate until it's too late. Think about why we love the mini. It's the size of a notebook but has the soul of a workstation. Or at least, that was the dream. For years, users have complained that the mini felt like a compromise. You wanted the portability, but you had to sacrifice the screen quality. You wanted the speed, but you got the bin chips. Those days are officially over. The iPad mini 8 is rumored to be the first non-Pro device to receive the legendary OLED treatment. But not just any OLED. We are looking at a panel technology that might even surpass what's currently in the iPhone 17. Imagine blacks so deep they look like the screen is turned off, and colors so vibrant they feel like they're bleeding off the glass. This isn't just about making Netflix look better. This is about changing the fundamental way we interact with a handheld device. But here is the part that will keep you up at night, the chip. While everyone expected the A18, the latest kernel codes and supply chain manifests suggest Apple is skipping a generation. They are aiming for the A19 Pro, and some whispers even suggest the A20, a 2-nanometer beast that shouldn't even exist yet. Why would Apple put that much power into a small tablet? The answer lies in 2 words: Apple Intelligence. We are entering the era of local on-device AI, where your tablet needs to think faster than you do. The iPad mini 8 is being positioned as the ultimate AI companion. But there's a dark side to this much power in such a small chassis. Heat. Battery life. Longevity. How does Apple plan to fit a supercomputer into a frame that's less than 7 millimeters thick? The rumors suggest a radical new cooling system, potentially using graphene or a specialized vapor chamber, things we've never seen in an iPad before. And then there's the price. You've noticed how everything is getting more expensive, right? The OLED panel alone adds a significant cost to the bill of materials. Is Apple going to keep the $499 price point, or are we looking at the first $600 iPad mini? If they raise the price, does it still make sense? Or is it better to just buy an iPad Pro? This is the dilemma every tech enthusiast is facing right now. Let's talk about the display because that is the heart of the Mini 8. The jelly scrolling issue haunted the Mini 6 and even persisted in the Mini 7 to some degree. It was a hardware limitation